Okay, so we are sitting here at a beautiful yard in Yorba Belinda with friends and two-time clients. Amazing Brian, beautiful Donna here. And I just had a couple questions for you guys because
Okay.
this is our second pool we built for you. Um, we did the first one. Obviously, you must have loved it because you hired us again.
Yes.
Number two, how did it go? Like from the beginning to end? What do you think?
I think, well, for one thing, that we're well pleased with the overall project. We thought that the quality control through the whole process, from putting a shovel in the ground to finalizing with the softscape with all the plants, was just excellent. It was just top notch. And the whole process through that quality control was all the little questions that maybe the paperwork, the blueprints don't say, but it came from your workforce that was able to catch maybe the little things that may not come out correctly, and that
Right.
was a very nice process where they would pull us aside and ask those questions, and that made us feel very comfortable, knowing that working with Splash Pool was
So we cared
our
about the
best
little
choice.
details, the things that you can't get on paper, like how the tile lines up, what size
Right.
tile it is,
Yeah.
how it's going to finish out, to how big the grass strips are at, to make sure it fits evenly. That's kind of what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
That's a big one. I know that always comes up. So
They even ask which way you want your grout lines, and so
Yep.
it's very professional. I
What-
mean, and they do it all, from building the pool to the landscape and the lighting, and so that's
And now that you guys have grandkids, using the backyard with the family
Of course.
is a
yes,
pretty big deal.
And I have Thanksgiving and Christmas here too. Everybody wants to come here.
Everybody wants to hang out at our house. It makes for more chores for me, but
Yeah.
hey, family's everything,
It's
and
worth
and we have a yard and a beautiful layout for everybody to enjoy it.
Yes.
That's awesome.
Let me know if you guys come and do that too. Do you clean up and set up too for parties?
Oh, well, thank you for letting me interview you guys
Thank you.
quickly. I appreciate it. And thank you for all the referrals you guys give us.
Thank you. You guys, a great job.
Thank you,
Thank
We
Jeff.
love you
much.
guys. They're like family. All
She
of them.
is family.
All of them.
She's